Here's exactly what happens when you join Today, you'll get immediate access to Comfort Zone Yoga. You can grab a lesson plan from the recipe box and teach it this week if you want. No more Sunday evening panic. Within the first week or two, we'll have our first live call, where I will walk you through the serve method in depth and answer all your questions. Here's how the 6 months unfold. Each month has two parts: a featured recipe you'll implement and a specific teaching skill you'll develop. Month 1 is about seeing where you are now. We'll have you record yourself, identify your strengths, and start building on your natural teaching style. You'll grab your first recipe box sequence and teach it. Month 2 focuses on inclusion, making sure almost everyone in your class feels served, using more welcoming language, and teaching to the middle of the bell curve. Month 3 is when you start designing for specific populations, maybe a workshop, a specialty class, or your first or next private lesson. You're expanding your toolkit. Month 4 is all about theming with confidence. You'll find your authentic voice and learn to weave meaningful themes into your classes without it feeling forced. Month 5 is when you build your personal recipe box, your collection of go-to sequences organized so you can access them anytime, anywhere. And month 6 is about planning where you're going next, creating a sustainable career that pays you what you're worth without burning you out. Throughout all of this, each month you'll practice the featured sequence as a student through our follow-along video. You taste before you serve. We'll workshop it together in our live calls. You'll teach it to your students and share feedback with the community. You'll adapt it with purpose throughout the month. By month 6, planning that used to take 5 hours on Sunday evening now takes well under 1 hour. You will have mastered the framework, developed your teaching skills, and built your confidence. Your students will notice the difference, and you'll wonder how you ever taught without this foundation. This is a 6-month journey from overwhelmed to confident, from spending your weekend anxious to having your life back, from working twice as hard as other yoga teachers to working smarter and getting better results, from cook to chef.